Kaipit-ipit din niya, kaya ganyan. Mukha mo si Tatang Aga nung virgin pa lang siya, oh.
Oo nga, kuya.
Ngayon tumanda na siya.
Saan si Ago para mapuwetan?
Ay, papuwitan ka daw ni Kaloy.
Tw- 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 12 in the morning, pop shells for a living in. Berry gon' smell blood trail every minute. Rogue wave, and you niggas no fair. When I hit 'em, every time I see it big, I don't hesitate to kill 'em. Ain't nobody give a fuck about a rule. Either get diplomas of a tool. I'm a cool with my youngest no boo. When I was bringing this cage, you fuckers fucking gang affiliated with nothing but my name. Man, I don't give a fuck about a motherfucking hoe. I'ma pull up with that stick and hit your motherfucking door. Man, I don't give a fuck about a motherfucking hoe. I'ma pull up with that stick and hit your motherfucking door. Yeah. People be starving and people be killing for food with that crack and that spoon. But these rich motherfuckers, they stay eating good, dropping wish living good. Hold it stick locks, but you been a bitch, sucking thick cock, fucking grip, walk, hit a trip like in Bangkok. Never ever see me ever trip, but a little bright. See me on the titty skinny bitch, you a damn fraud. And you don't wanna fuck with a jigger like me. When I pull up in the Maserati, better duck for your brain spider on the concrete. I'ma hit you with that 4-5 bullet, hit your neck, run the bow tie, looking like a thriller film bitch. I'ma go right back with the clip, and I know you be shaking. Don't test me or I'ma just click at your noggin. Man, I don't give a fuck about a motherfucking hoe. I'ma pull up with that stick and hit your motherfucking door. Man, I don't give a fuck about a motherfucking hoe. I'ma pull up with that stick and hit your motherfucking door. Yeah.
Papupush kami Philips Wheel, ah. Jeep dalawa